Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we will be doing a special unboxing of the new Vision Pro from Apple. So we're just gonna do the unboxing, let you guys know what to expect, get our first impressions, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so once you go pick it up, or when you do go pick it up, just know that this box is pretty big, and it's thick, as you can see. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and start unboxing it. Vision Pro by Apple. You know, Apple's always been known to great packaging. So you have two of these on each side. So let's go ahead and remove one. Oof, they're kind of really on there. Okay. Now let's remove this one as well. Sweet. And this is just what it looks behind the box. I got the 256 gigabyte model. But let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the Vision Pro. This feels a little heavy. Definitely feels heavy. But it comes really good, like packed. It comes really well packed in the box. Let's put that to the side for now. This is the lip where they sit on. Let's see what else we get in the box. Vision Pro. Let's see what's in here. So you have Vision Pro, and from what this looks like, it's kind of like a start guide, kind of on like how to use the goggles, yeah, what to expect if you have like glasses or contacts, how to set it up with your iPhone and everything. Yeah, so it's like a quick start guide. Let's see what we get in here. Oh, this is the dual loop. So I guess that's the loop that you put like over here as well, instead of just holding it with the back. Yep, so as you guys can see here, you kind of just take these out from here and then you put on this one. That way you'll have support from the top and the back. That way it's less on your head, less weight, and kind of distributes the weight a little bit better. So right here we have a really nice cable. It's like cloth, like a cloth cable. From what I can see, it's USB-C to USB-C. You got your power brick, a 30-watt power brick in the box. And this is the battery. Damn, it's kind of heavy. And this will go connected onto the goggles, and that's how you power them on. So you get a nice polishing cloth. Oh, it's nice and smooth actually. Yeah, it's actually really nice. Yep, it's just a polishing cloth. I mean, if you're paying this much, they should have honestly threw some headphones in here, honestly. Light seal cushion. Okay, so this is like the cushion that is like right up here. I guess you can swap them out if you'd like. And that's everything that you get in the box. But let's go ahead and clean all of this up and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start this video doing a top down, but I'll show you guys what this looks like when you wear it. Let me just zoom in a little bit here. But first things first, this is how it comes straight out of the box. Really nice. It came really good packaged, like nice and cushioned. It feels good. Heavy. It does feel front heavy. I mean, it makes sense. All the computers and cameras and everything is right here. But let's go ahead and remove these two tabs right here. That will unfold this way, and then you'll be able to just slide this thing out. And I don't know if you guys can see through that, but oh, okay, cool. So you could just take these off like this and take a look at how that looks in there. So yeah, they're pretty much like goggles. I mean, if you've used VR, I know Apple's not calling it VR, but it's similar. It's like a similar setup. but that's what it looked like. Go ahead and put these back on, and now let's take this part out and see how this looks. comes really cushioned in there. And voila, that's how these look. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys. So if you look closely right here, you have cameras, sensors, more cameras here where the fans are, but cameras or sensors, microphones, your crown, kind of like what you get on like the Apple Watch. I think this is to go back to like home. And overall, this is where the speakers are, right over here. It'll direct anything you hear right into your ears. But we're gonna go ahead and set this up real quick and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, you guys, and this is pretty much what you will look like wearing this. And it has a little crown thing right here, so you can just tighten that and it'll adjust everything. But this is pretty much what you will look like when you're wearing these. First things that I can tell you is that it feels extremely heavy. You can really feel it on the neck right here. So maybe the other strap that kind of divides the weight between the back of your head and the top of your head might be better. But yeah, this is just kind of what it looks like. So let's go ahead and start setting it up. All right, you guys, so the first thing that you're gonna need to grab in order to make all of this work is going to be your battery pack. So let's go ahead and hook these up to the Vision Pro goggles and we'll go from there. All right, you guys, so yeah, like I said, so you're gonna go ahead and connect it, and then this little ring right here that you see, so that's where this is going to connect, and it should be magnetic if I'm not mistaken. Whoa, okay, so it's telling me to move the goggles more, a little bit higher, and it says press and hold to align. Okay, alrighty, so we checked that part off. Now I'm seeing the Apple. Whoa, okay, so now I see the Apple symbol and I can see everything in front of me right now. Feels kind of weird. So now it's saying hello, kind of like a 3D format. All right, now it's saying press digital crown down to begin. All right, bring iPhone or iPad near to get started. Let's go ahead and do that. 1 second. Set up Apple Vision Pro. Double click digital crown to set up manually. Now we're gonna try to do this seamlessly as possible. Look here with your Apple Vision Pro. So now I need to scan the QR code. Alrighty, it's setting up my Apple Vision Pro. Okay, it says I'm good to go.
Your eyes and hands are how you navigate Apple Vision Pro. You browse the system by looking, and it responds to your eyes. Simply look at an element and tap your fingers together to select it. It's like a click on your Mac. To scroll, pinch your fingers together and gently flick.
Okay, so you do this for scrolling, this to click.
Resting on your lap. Next, you'll set up Apple Vision Pro for your eyes and hands.
Press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. Okay, so now it wants me to put my hands in front of it. Flip your hands over, okay. Hand setup completed. We completed the hand setup. Adjusting lighting. Whoa, okay, it got kind of dark. It doesn't help that I have these lights here. But yeah, it's just adjusting lighting right now. So just to give it, it says just to give it a little bit. Man, I really wish I would be able to record this setup for you guys. Look at the dot and tap your finger together to select it. Okay. Oh, okay. Now select all the dots around the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Forgot how to count. Okay. Now it says select more dots to refine your eye setup. And just so you guys know, it made everything super It made everything super bright. I apologize if I'm not in the middle. This thing is making me move around. All right, select 2 dots again. One more time in brighter lighting. Okay, oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa. Okay, now I can see you guys again. Now it's completing my eye setup. Sorry if I keep rocking back and forth. I'm trying my hardest to be right in the middle of the frame. Let's say persona beta capture, how you'll appear in FaceTime. All right, so I've heard about this and I hear that it's pretty gimmicky and it's pretty bad, but let's just do it. Let's get started.
To set up your persona, you'll use Apple Vision Pro to capture your appearance. Take your time getting ready and make sure nothing's covering your face. To start capturing, hold Apple Vision Pro at eye level. Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed. Then follow the instructions. Turn your head to the right, to the left, and tilt up.
These look like nice shades though.
Then you'll capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Smile showing your teeth. Raise your eyebrows and close your eyes. When you're done, put Apple Vision Pro back on to see your persona.
All right, so tips for the best capture: find a well-lit area, use a simple background, be in front of a natural background, take your time. All right, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up so begin capture. So it's asking me to remove it. Oh. Yo, that feels weird. All right, so now as you guys
when
can
you're ready,
see,
hold Apple Vision Pro at eye level.
so we're gonna go ahead and
Keep
do
your
that.
arms and shoulders relaxed. Align your entire face within the frame.
Let me see if I can show you guys how this is looking.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now, slowly turn your head to the left. Now tilt your head up. Slow down and try again. Then tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Move Vision Pro up a little. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Move Vision Pro up a little. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on.
All right, you guys, so now we're gonna continue, and I apologize in advance if I keep rocking back and forth. It's hard to really maneuver this, but just bear with me. Okay, so now we created my persona. That thing looks so bad. It like literally chopped off my head and like cut my hair down, and it's really, really bad. Let's do studio. I swear to God, it looks so bad. We're just gonna leave it like that. All right, select eyewear. At least it gives you the option to select eyewear, so you guys can see how ridiculous this eye look right now. Okay, cool. So it gives you like an animated keyboard, and you can kind of type in it. So let's see. All right, guys, 1 second. Go wide again so you guys can see how. Can I drag this? Can I? Okay, no. All right, I just finished typing. Verification failed. Dude, I always forget my passwords. All right, let's go back. Let's restore from iCloud backup. No, I didn't mean to press that. I hope that's the password. Yes, I got it right. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay. Yep, we're just gonna hit agree. All right, so now it's signing into my Apple ID, and I hope that I've been doing a pretty decent job at showing you kind of what the animation feels like. All right, so it says choose backup, and I can guarantee you that, yep, set up as a new vision. Okay, it's processing, my bad. Ooh. No, set up later. It's asking me to do Apple Pay. I'm not gonna wear this out and use Apple Pay. Are you crazy? Improve Siri and dictation, share audio recordings. No. iCloud Analytics. No. Appearance. So you can, so it lets you choose from like a menu, and it says small, medium, large, or extra large. I just want to see the medium. Okay, well, I am blind, but let's just go with the large for now. Pinch the window bar to move apps. Oh, so it's letting me move it. So right now it's in front of me, and it'll let me move it over here. If I want it there, I can go ahead and look, pinch it again, move it back. Let's say I want it right there, and I hit next. Okay, look at the window corner and pinch to resize. Which window? Maybe that one? No, this one? Oh, okay, so you grab it, you could make it bigger. Whoa, make it real big. All right, for the purpose of today's video, we're gonna keep it like that. Hold the digital crown to recenter your view. Oh, cool, so like if it's like right now, it's right in front of me. This is actually better because it's right in front of the camera. Okay, we're gonna hit next. Look up at the top of your view and tap the down arrow for control center. Look at the top of your view. Okay, look at the dot and tap it to close the window. Press digital. Now it's saying welcome, press digital crown to open home. Whoa, okay, cool. So I got all my apps here right in front of me. I got my music, my photos, my messages. Let's see how messages it looks on here. Shared with you. Content share, okay. Allow messages to share that you have, sure. Let's, okay. Put a little bit. Okay, now let me see if I can screen record this for you guys. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Can you start a screen recording, please? All right, so it just took me to the internet so that I can. Okay, that's not what I meant. Okay, apps. Okay, guys, give me one quick second. Alright, you guys, so first impressions, the thing I could tell you the most is that these are heavy, like front heavy. You definitely feel the weight. Like I said, if you use the other strap, maybe the one that kind of goes behind the head and over, there'll be like the weight distribution will be a lot better. But it does feel pretty cool, like the typing on it, like you're actually touching the keyboard. You're not just like you're actually typing on it as if you were with any other keyboard. But honestly speaking, it's actually really cool. So it kind of gives you kind of like Tony Stark vibes, like, you know, when he's like in the shop and doing his thing with Jarvis and everything. But yeah, no, honestly, it's really cool. It's really immersive. The speakers are great. They are super loud. And one thing I do notice though, like once you take these off, you kind of have to like your eyes are a little sweaty, a little watery. I'm not sure if it's because, like, you know, there's stuck inside of this thick piece of glass, and maybe the fans are not blowing enough. But like I said, this is just an unboxing. This is not a full review, just what I went through, you know, what comes in the box, my first experience, my first impressions. And yeah, But anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video here, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to stick for the review, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.